Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
So this is Ride with Ed again, guys. So we are invited to join 18th anniversary ride of 611 Global Services. So currently heading to Maa site. So magkikita na dito lang, guys, together with the rest of the participants or riders sa event. So by the way, for the 611 Global Services, salamat kayo for the invitation. And sa mga gusto nga mag-apply na ginakontent yung industry, simply visit the website or the page of 611. Kasi namin medyo dagdagan po mga site. We have in Mabini, site A and site B. Napunta sa Maa, which is mga tunga-tuon karon sa may Sands Hotel. Sa baba, napunta sa Jensan nga outside. Napunta sa Cagayan, by the way. Kaka-release lang. So just be excited, guys, for big bump sa 611, because one of the fast growing BPO here in Mindanao. So headed by, of course, our very own Sir Mike Bian and our COO William Wijanko. So kana that's it for now. Kita-kita na guys sa Sands Hotel. And of course, let's just have fun and celebrate together with 611. Alright, peace out. Yan nga, guys, sa mga gusto mag-apply, ito, Sands Hotel. Yan. So katabi lang ng Sands Hotel is the 611 Maa site. Dito na papunta. Ayan. Let's go. Ayan. There's the Sands Hotel. So the next building is the 611 Global Services. Yan. Yun. So sa mga gusto mag-apply, of course,
a few moments later.
Almighty God, I'm seeking your divine protection for all bikers on the road.
Hindi lang nasa dalan, guys. So, for anything else, let's make sure our safety first muna, ha? Clear?
Ano na mga motor, hindi pwede i-park sa loob ng hindi pwede i-park sa loob ng car. Inside the road, the road is important. Okay? Do you have any questions? Wala naman? Okay, so let's enjoy the ride.
Alright, so yan nga, guys. We will be celebrating our 18th year anniversary for 611. By the way, big shoutout po pala sa ating COO. Kasama natin, Sir William.
Yes,
Yun.
go!
So yan, mag-enjoy po tayo, guys. So sa lahat ng mga gusto maging part ng 611, we have our Mabini, Maa, Cagayan, Jensen. So this is one of the activity of 611. Having fun, and of course together with the company, guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.